In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the oil on the Predator 8750 from Harbor Freight. And what you need to get started is, the manual says 1.1 quarts of oil, and let's see, it looks like a 12 millimeter drain plug, or a 12 millimeter socket or end wrench for the drain plug there. So let's go ahead and get going. Alright, so obviously it'd be really easy to have this thing up off the ground. If you have the wheel kit on it, you know, that'd make it just that much easier. I have it sitting on this wooden platform, so that's enough space to put the drain pan below it. And because I'm off grid, water is a precious commodity, it's easier to just find a garbage can and throw a pair of gloves away than it is to get water and, you know, replenish. So easy enough. Just take the drain plug, loosen it, go ahead and take it out. That's some really thick oil. Now, it's been argued, you know, a few times that the best time to change the oil is to run it for a little bit and get the oil thin so it flows out easier. Make sure everything's all nice and cleaned up inside the engine. And then another argument is to do it when it's cold. That way all the oil is down at the bottom. You get all the oil out. Obviously it's going to take longer when it's cold, especially when it's, you know, it's right around 29-30 degrees right now. We'll go ahead and let the oil change and we'll get back to it here. Or the oil drain, sorry. There we go. It's finally done draining. Let's put this back in. Oh, I guess before you put this in, make sure you don't lose this little washer here. It acts like a gasket, so it doesn't leak. So there we go. I'm sure there's a torque spec on this. I didn't look it up, but you know, this is aluminum, so you don't want to tighten it down too hard. So I just a little, there we go. Like the oil. Ladies and gentlemen, Shathid is getting to be a big boy. Now you don't want any of that cat. Alright. Add a piece of wood underneath the other end of it to tilt it, help it drain a little bit faster. Alright, and just like the video where I did the review on it, go ahead and fill it up. Now, like I said before, it takes 1.16 quarts according to the manual. I just have this right now. The rest of the oil I have are in the bigger containers. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in and then just double check the level after I run it for a few seconds. So, alright, don't know if you can see that, but it looks like it's nice and full. I'm going to put the dipstick back in. And there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and start this thing up and just double check the level of the oil, and the oil change will be done. Alright, so I just ran it for about 30 seconds or so. And we're nice and full. Oil's clear up here. It's still nice and clean, so it means I got all the nasty oil out. And there we go. So if you like this video and want to see more, follow us on our journey, go and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video and share it with somebody that might find it useful. Until next time, keep kicking up dust.